Hello student, myself Digeshwari Devangan, guest lecturer, Department of Commerce, Government GHG PG College, Balod. My subject is Marketing Research, Unit 2nd. My topic is Marketing Research Process. So some of the major steps involved in marketing research process are as following. 1. Identification and definition the problem. 2. Statement of research objectives. 3rd. Planning the research design or designing research study. 4th. Planning the samples. 5th. Data collection. 6th. Data processing and analysis. 7. Formulating conclusion, preparing and presenting the report. So first step, identification and defining the problem. So first step, identification and defining the problem. The market research process being with the identification of a problem faced by the company. The clear-cut statement of problems may not be possible at the very outset of research process because often only the symptoms of the problems are apparent at that stage. Then after some explanatory research, clear identification of the problem is of crucial importance in marketing research because such research is a costly process involving time, energy and money. Clear identification of the problem help the researcher in all subsequent research efforts, including setting of proper research objectives, the determination of the techniques to be used and the extent of information to be collected. It may be noted that the method of explanatory research popularly in use are survey of secondary data, experiment survey, or pilot study. Studies of a small initial sample. All this is also known as preliminary investigation. My second step is statement of research objective. Statement of research objectives. So after identifying and define the problem with or without explanatory research, the researcher must take a formal statement of research objectives. Such objective may be started in qualitative or quantitative terms and expressed as research questions, statement or hypotheses. For example, the research objectives to find out the extent to which sales promotions schemes affected the sale value is a research objective expressed as a statement. On the other hand, a hypothesis in a statement then can be refuted or supported by empirical finding. The same research objective could be stated as to test the proposition that sales are positively affected by the sales promotion scheme undertaken this winter. Example of another hypothesis NEB. The new packaging pattern has resulted in increase in sales and profit. Once the objective of the hypothesis are developed, the researcher is ready to choose the research design. Third step is planning the research design. Research design are designing the research study. After defining the research problem and deciding the objectives, the research design must be developed. A research design is a master plan specifying the procedure for collecting and analysis the needed information. It represents a framework for the research plan of action. The objective of the study are included in the research design to ensure that data collected are relevant to the objective. At this stage, the researcher should also determine the types of source of information needed. The data collection method, survey or interview, the sampling methodology, and the timing and possible cost of research. Fourth step, planning the sample. So sampling involves procedures that use a small number of items or parts of the population, item, to make conclusion regarding the population. Important question in this regard are: who is to be sampled as a rightly representative lot? Which is the target population? What should be the sample size? How large or how small? How to select the virus unit to make up the sample? Fifth, data collection. So the collection of data relates to the gathering of fact to be used in solving the problem. Hence, method of market research are essentially method of data collection. Data can be secondary, collected from consumer reports, magazines, and other periodicals, especially written articles, government publications, company publication, book, etc. Data can be primary, collected from the original batch thought empirical research by means of various tools. There can be broadly two types of sources: internal sources existing within the firm itself, such as accounting data, salesmen's reports, and external source outside the firm. 6 steps: data processing and analysis. Data processing and analysis. So once data have been collected, this have to be converted into a format that will suggest answer to the intelligently identified and defined problem. Data processing being with the editing of data and its coding. Editing involves inspecting the data collection from for omissions, liability, and in classification. Before tabulation, responses need to be classified into meaningful categories. The rule for categories regarding and transferring the data to data storage media are called codes. This coding process, faculties, and manual are computer tabulation. In computer analysis is being used. The data can be key punched and verified. Analysis of data represented the application of logic to the understanding of data collected about the subject. In its simplest form, analysis may involve determination of consistence, patterns, and summarizing of appropriate detail. The appropriate analytical techniques chose would depend upon informal requirement of the problem, characteristics of the research design, and the nature of data gathered. The statistical analysis may range from simple immediate analysis to very complex multivariate analysis. Next step, formulating conclusion. Formulating conclusion, preparing the report, preparing and presenting है ना, and presenting the report. So this final stage in the marketing research process is that of interpreting the information and drawing conclusion for use in marginal decision. The research report should clearly and effectively communication the research finding and need not include complicated statement about the technical aspect of the study and research method. Often the management is not interested in detail of research design and statistical analysis, but instead in the correct finding of the research. If need be, the researcher may bring out his appropriate recommendation or suggestion in the matter. Researcher must make the presentation technically accurate, understandable, and useful. Thank you.